Go.
Kobe's
No,
done it.
go.
He's still alive. No, put it in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth. Close your mouth.
Pull it off.
No.
Now you gotta try to get it down.
Like turns to cement.
You get it.
Is it impossible?
Don't breathe in through your mouth.
Cough.
You'll breathe in through your mouth.
Cough.
I was gonna say Kobe had tears in his eyes.
It's like cement, right? It hardens.
Your teeth have... She is
Cough.
determined. She went rafting yesterday and the boys went and put their feet in the water.
Is it dry?
I want you to like breathe out of your mouth, cause it's like.
No, she'll get
Do it. Just go. Ton it. Go.
Your eyes are watering.
Dad, you do it, right?
It doesn't go away.
It doesn't go away. Your teeth, you look like you're chewing tobacco or something.
Let's see your teeth.
In our freezer.
Oh, that's so gross.
Do it again.
No.
Do it again.
I'm not.
Look at her. She looks like she's missing a few.
Are you done?
I'm eating it.
I'm eating.
You're on a big blob.
That's really gross. That's probably worse than chewing tobacco.
I know the first thing she's gonna do is get some of her friends to eat Thai now.
Hey, try this, guys.
We'll grab some other spices. This is fun.
Let's do garlic salt.
Look at it. It comes out like cement.
Oh.
It doesn't like
It doesn't